In this video, I want to share the top benefits of email marketing and why list building is critical no matter what business you are building. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been marketing online almost since the start of the internet. Email marketing has been my favorite and most productive marketing strategy. No matter what business you are building, you should be building a list and marketing to it. And before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So list building and email marketing are actually very simple and inexpensive. Yet, in spite of how powerful it can be, many marketers do not take advantage of it. I always recommend email marketing, and that's even if you're in a traditional brick and mortar type business. And you only need a few things to get started with email marketing. First, you need an email autoresponder, the program that manages your list. Next, you need a landing page, or what's also referred to as a lead capture page, to collect email addresses to add to your list. And then lastly, you need the emails to send out to your list. And I will show you how to get all of these for free. So there really is no excuse for not building a list and getting going with email marketing. And the benefits of email marketing, wow, they can be huge. I've already mentioned that it's simple and affordable. Well, here are other big advantages of using email marketing. First, it can get results fast, almost instantly. I'm always amazed at how fast people respond to my emails these days. I guess almost everyone is checking email on their phone now. And the response time for email, it's almost as fast as text. There is no better way to get traffic to your site. When I launch something new, email marketing is always my first strategy to introduce it. The old marketing rule is still true, and it says that on average, it takes 7 contacts to make a sale. Well, email marketing is how I automate that process. And email marketing, it's a great way to get feedback. I always encourage my subscribers to reach out with any questions or suggestions, and I do hear back regularly. But I think far and away, the biggest benefit of email marketing is that it is a proven way to build relationships with people. And that's how you get them to know you, to like you, and to trust you. Over the years, I've had many people contact me, ready to team up with me, and they don't even know what business I'm building. Well, that's the power of relationships. I hope this short video helps you take advantage of the power of email marketing for your business. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions at any time. I always enjoy sharing ideas with other marketers. You can learn more about me and email marketing at my blog at joebarclay.com. I'll share how you can get the same email autoresponder I use for free. Plus, I reveal 2 very lucrative income streams that I build on autopilot using email marketing. And while you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook, The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success just by copying what works. Again, that's joebarclay.com. Go ahead and check it out. I look forward to hearing from you.